Aparajita plant. Aparajita plant. The flower like pigeon. Flower like pigeon. Blue in color. At the inner side, that is whitish. This flower available below the leaf. These are the leaflet. 7 leaflet in one leaf. Aparajita is a very important plant for Homo sapiens. Aparajita in the family Fabaceae. Aparajita is a very important plant in the family Fabaceae. The seeds of Aparajita are very valuable. This is the second plant of Aparajita. This is second. Two flowers of Aparajita. Two flowers of Aparajita. Two flowers of Aparajita. Very interesting flower. The seeds of Aparajita are very valuable, and if after grinding the Homo sapiens uses the seeds of Aparajita, they decrease the blood pressure, high blood pressure. This is the medicine to decrease the tension of mind. This Aparajita is valuable for heart power. The Aparajita seeds increase the power of heart. So this is very valuable plant. This is the very valuable herbaceous plant that give the strength of power. If the Homo sapiens uses the leaves and seeds of the Aparajita, the heart becomes more powerful. Very important plant. These are the green leaflets of in one leaf. There are 7 leaflets found in the leaf of Aparajita. These green leaves takes carbon dioxide from the environment and gives the oxygen or pranavayu to the Homo sapiens. In this way, the Aparajita gives the clean environment to the people. Very interesting plant possess the pigeon type of the flowers, blue flowers. The peoples uses the flowers of Aparajita to give the gift or in the worship of the people uses in the worship. The people uses the flower in the worship of God Shiva. Pigeon pea. Pigeon pea or Aparajita pigeon pea flower. Very interesting herb, useful herb for the Homo sapiens.